Okay, so what is the new topic I'm going to share with you now? I'm not too sure. I don't think you all have done this, lah. But I thought we can go through volume of pyramids, cones, and spheres. So this is Shafia's. Okay, so um, let me just run through the basic formula for volume, and then after that, okay, one of the parents is let me see, Shafi's. Okay, so now let us go the volume of let's say my is here stable. Okay, not stable enough. Hey, am I lagging? Am I lagging or you're lagging?
You.
I'm lagging. Me. Okay, then I have to go out. Sorry then. Okay, so I can't explain on the board then. I'll explain here. Okay. Okay, this is a new topic actually. So you all okay, this is I just want to revise this part lah. So you see whether you can get it first. So let us see. I'm searching for blank paper actually. Let me see whiteboard. Where's the whiteboard? Okay, but anyway. So if let's say you have a rectangular cuboid now, yeah, or a cone lah. Let's say we have a cone, cylinder. Okay, you all know what's the formula for the cylinder, right? The volume, right? The formula is actually base area times by the height. Okay, that means area at the bottom. If you want to find volume, okay, so I'm just going to write it here. Volume of cylinder is equals to area at the bottom. Area times height. Now, where's the height? The height is here, right? I use another color so you can see. The height is here. Okay. The base area is the area of the circle. Okay. Is it clear first? Anyone confused now? You find the area of the circle below, you times the height, you get the volume. Okay. So, okay, that's number one. Now, I'm going to draw an ice cream cone. Let's see, an ice cream cone, it goes up like that. It goes up like that. Can you see the ice cream cone? So what is the area of ice cream cone? Very simple. You remember area times the height? Now you times this by, or you just divide by 3. This one become volume of cone. Easy enough. Again, just now volume, you take area times the height. The answer you divide by 3, you get the volume of the cone. Are we okay? All okay now? Is she okay? Ryan okay? Easy, yeah? Okay, so just 1 minute. So Akila is okay. Let me see. Okay, now she's coming in. Okay, so let me just repeat this. Otherwise, it'll be. Okay, Akila, you're there. So I'm gonna just repeat. Here we go. Okay, down here, this here is the volume of a cylinder. You take area times height. Now for cone, you know, ice cream cone like that, you just divide by 3. In fact, I'm going to give you one formula for all other, what am I saying? All other cuboids. So now you have cuboids like this. So now you have, let's say, rectangular cuboid. Okay. Now, same thing. You just remember one formula, okay? What formula? Area. You want to find volume is area times height. Same finish. Same formula. Now, if let's say now we do like a pyramid now. Okay, I use a different color. Pyramid. This pyramid now is one dot down here. It goes this way, this way, this way, and then behind like that. It goes up right to the top, down here. What do? You take area times height divided by 3 also. Are you all clear or not? Very simple, eh? This, okay. We go down and show you. We go down and show you. There we go. I clear all my drawings now. You all have not started on this, right? You have not started, right? Okay. So down here, this is a pyramid. But you know the pyramid, actually, I want you to see one formula so that you don't memorize all. Imagine now this is at the center down here, center, right? So that means there is something like that now. I'm going to draw something like that. It's actually inside a box of this pyramid. Imagine now. It's actually within this rectangular cuboid. So if I ask you what's the volume of rectangular cuboid, you take the area at the bottom times the height. But you want to find pyramid, you take the volume, you have found area at the bottom times height, divide by 3. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna, you all are clear now? So now we take volume of rectangular cuboid, of cuboid. Cuboid means top to bottom is the same now. This is now like a tank. Okay, you say length and breadth and height. Okay, but we don't use length and breadth and height. Say the base area. Base area BA times height. That is the volume of the cuboid. If you want the pyramid, volume of pyramid, I put P here, pyramid on here, you divide this by 3. You divide the answer by 3. You want cone, same thing. You divide by 3. Okay, we will. Why am I teaching you one formula? Otherwise, you got so many formulas to remember. Okay, let's say now I do something like that. Triangle, bottom triangle, like Toblerone. Then you form down here. See, you make like that, Toblerone punya chocolate, let's say. How to find this? Base area times the height. Finish. Okay? Base area times height. So here we go. We will practice that. By the end of today, you will be able to do volume of cone, volume of pyramid, and if we have time, volume of sphere, bola, sphere. Down here, there's different types of pyramid. So you see, what is base area? Base means bottom lah. Now all of you are sitting. You know where's your base, right? Your base is your buttocks lah. Okay. If you are standing up, your base is your feet. Okay. So base means the bottom of here. So you must find the area times the height. But you must remember the height is not the slanted part, The height must be the 90 degrees going up to the highest point. That is the height. This is not the height. This one you can go down the slide. Going down. All this is not the height. Height is going up 90 degrees. Same thing, you have pentagonal pyramid. Find the base area times the height. Well, square one, base area times height. Base area times the height. Easy, eh? So if it's circular cone, base area times height. Okay, now we try this one first. We try simple one first. The formula is there. So can you all calculate? Remember, find the area of the whatever first. This one first. What is this? You must find. Okay, send your answers, please. Easy, easy. Okay, if you are stuck here, we got to correct it immediately. Okay, no, not 512. So sorry. How do you get 512? Or I did it wrongly. Maybe I did it wrong. Sorry, I did it wrongly. Hold on. I did it wrongly. Maybe. Is it 512? You get 512 also? Oh yeah, maybe it's 512. No, it's not 512. Find the area of the triangle. Can you see now? Can you see the pyramid? See, I cannot see pyramid. Where is the pyramid? If you cannot see, I have to draw for you. Okay. Okay, down here. You find the area of this triangle first. You know how to find area of triangle? Of course you know. Half times base times height. See, I thought base is, no, base of the triangle is here, right? Or here, up to you. Okay, find the area of the area of the triangle. Then after that, you times by the height. Then divide by 3. Remember, There's confusion. Never mind. You'll do step by step. No, you have not divided by 3, Shafi. You must divide by 3. Remember, so we go one by one first. Yes, Akila, well done. Okay, now, so down here, we ask you now to find this one now. 8, 16. Well done, Shafi. This one, find the area of this triangle first. You see, how come this triangle looks so strange? Because we are drawing 3D. This is a 3D drawing. Actually, the triangle is like that lah. Same thing. Now, if you look from the top, the triangle is like that. Okay, this is now 2D. I draw for you 2D. So, okay. How to find the area of this? Half times base times height. Half times 8 times 16. You will get what? 16 times, you get 64. Then what do? You must times the height. Where's the height? The height is here. Times the height. Times by 12. I think you get 768, I think. Right? Then remember, you are supposed to divide by 3. Must divide by 3, yeah? You have to divide by 3, and then you get 256. So so you take area is 64. 64 times what? Times 12. The answer must divide by 3. 256. All okay? Ryan? Okay, not Ryan? You sure not, Ryan? Yes, okay. So we are moving on. This is one type of pyramid. You have triangular pyramid. This one, another pyramid. You try. No, I don't want total surface area. I don't want total. Okay, we go for volume. We are going to go for volume now. Okay, we try question number 1A first. We do 1A, 1B. 1A, 1B. Okay, 1A, 1B. Let us see the answer. Okay, Shafi'i, 1A, correct? Base area is already given down here. No? Just times the height, divide by 3. Base area times height, divide by 3. Okay. Must get this one, formula. Base area times height, then answer divide by 3. Okay, Akila, well done. Inshi, Ryan. Okay, so if not, I will have to write down here. The base area is 63. You times by height 14. Then divide by 3. Yes, first one correct, Ryan, well done. Equals to 294. Okay. Inshi can do that. Next one then. Same thing. How to find the area at bottom? This is triangle. Half times base times height. This, you choose either this one base or this one. So now half times what? 5 times 14. Okay, half, I put it like that. Half. Then you get the area, right? Then you times the height. Then what you do? Divide by 3. Come on. Shafi, you got it. Well done. What about the rest? Come on. Can do not? 5 times 14 divide by 2, or half times 5 times 14 times 12. Then divide by 3. Okay, we need to get everyone on board. And you will get. Inshi can do. Inshi, use calculator. Inshi, are you using calculator? Ryan got calculator. Ryan, use calculator.
My calculator outside.
Oh, you take it. Otherwise, it'll be too slow lah. Okay. So anyway, the answer will be 140 lah. Make sure you get 140. Do you get 140, Inshi? Inshi, okay now? You nampak macam headache, macam banyak problem lah.
I send you already.
Oh, you send me?
Yeah.
I didn't get. You mean what you send on the phone, is it?
No, I sent at the chat group there.
You You send 294 je.
I think I just do not fix it.
Sorry, what happened? You sent to, okay, right? So Ryan sent 294, correct? Yeah, okay, so this one you get 140 lah. I hope you'll get 140 again. Sorry, I'm going very slow now. Okay, but half times 14 times 5 base area, then times 12 divided by 2. Okay, well done. Now, okay, we move on. We move on. Okay, you try the next one, C and D. C and D. Volume ni, okay, we don't go area, okay, just volume je. Okay, very, very quickly, let's try. Use your calculator, please. Ryan, you got to check. You got to check. You see, this one, what's the area? It's not 15, you know, this is a square. 15 times 15 is area. Okay, don't forget. Okay, Shafi, well done. Shafi cannot see eh? The way you're looking macam tak boleh nampak ya. You need specs ah. Akila, well done. Find the area of the square first, 15 by 15. Okay, well done. Wait, oh. Okay, let's see. But did you divide by, okay, so bottom part, bottom part, let's say 15 times 15. Then after you times by the height 24, you know. Then you get answer divide by 3. Do you do that? 15 times 15, you get the area times the height 24. Then final answer divide by 3. The final one, 1D is correct, Shafi. So I hope you all get, you are supposed to get 1800. Can get Ryan and Ishira. Ryan can get 1800. You'll get eh? Ryan, you sure, Ryan? Don't you can see length times breadth get area at the bottom. Okay, if you all cannot see, now I'm gonna draw the. Why did I start this now by showing you the box? Imagine this is inside the box lah. Okay, so you must imagine now this is the base lah, the bottom part. So you find what's the base area, then you times by the height, and then you divide by 3. So this pyramid is actually 1/3 of the volume of this particular box. Now you try the next. Okay, we move on to the next one. You don't do this one yet. Okay, we do next one. Hold on. So that all of us are on the same page. Otherwise, yeah, some might be waiting. Let's see. No. Hold on. Let me see. Hold on. Now let me see. Any other drawing? Okay. No, total surface area we do one. Okay, I want you to find. No. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, I want you to find volume. Don't answer the question. Okay, I want you to find volume for question number 5. Cannot find volume. So sorry. Cannot find volume. Let me see. Down here. Okay, bottom is a square. Okay, can you find volume for 6A? Volume, I do not want you to find surface area. We'll do that another time. What is the volume? Remember, bottom is a square. Okay, let us see now. Akila, well done. Ryan, do you times 14 by 14 or just 14 aja? And then times 24. Shafi, what about you, Shafi? So this is a square, you know. Okay, 14 times 14. That you get the area of the base area. Base means what? Bottom area down here. This area you get already. Then you times the height, times 24. And then what you do? You divide by 3. Must divide by 3. Don't forget to divide by 3. Always must divide by 3. Okay. This is 1/3. The pyramid is 1/3 of the rectangular cuboid. Okay, yes, the answer is 1568. Okay, 1568. Once you times, you divide, you get 1568. All right, we move on. Surface area later, then volume they ask you to find. So let's try this one. Let's see now. This one, let me see. Okay, can you try question number A, please? Question number A only, they want you to find the length down here. You remember they give you the volume now. So x times 16 times 24 divided by 3 equals to this. You can form an equation. Then you find out what's x. Okay? Can you all get 20 now? Shown, Okay. So those of you who can't, very simple, you write down the formula. What's the formula? What's the formula for volume? You write a formula for volume is length times breadth. 16 times x and then times the height, right? Okay, hold on. I just show you so that you're very, very clear, okay? Times 24. Then what you do? You must divide this by what? Times 24, divide this by 3. This is the formula for volume, right? Length times breadth times height, divide by 3. And then it's equal to 2560. Now, remember what we have learned last time? How to manipulate. So now we times this by 3. Cancel, cancel. You must also times this by 3. So you get what? 16 times 24. How much is it? 16 times 24. 384x is equals to 2560 times 3. You get 7680. Then you find what's x, you'll get x equals 20. 760 divided by 384, you get x equals to 20. So again, to find the unknown, you write down the formula, you fill in, write equals to what, then you find the x. Okay, I hope okay now. Inshira okay? Inshi okay? Ryan okay? Shafi okay? Okay. All right, we're going to move on to the next one. Hold on. Okay, please try this. Question number 8 looks good. Read carefully, The big cube is 12 by 12 by 12 by 12 by 12 by 12 by all 12. Midpoint is halfway through. You know what is this, you can find. Okay. Okay, Shafi, A is correct. B is not correct. B, you got to try. You all try A and B lah. Don't worry about C, okay? Just A and B. For your info, triangle ABC is the same as triangle CBD. It's a triangle the same as AD. Why? Because it's half. What? Down here is half. Down here is half. Down here is half. Down here it's the same thing. Well done, Ishi. For A. So I'm gonna draw out triangle ACB. In case you cannot see. So now in 2D, that is in 3D. Now in 2D, in 2D is like that. And then is half of the whole thing from here to here is 12. They tell you this is the midpoint. So this must be 6 lah. This is also 6 because midpoint. This is midpoint. You know midpoint is middle. So you can find the area. What? Half times base times height. Well done. 18. Okay. Akila, okay now. Then now find the volume. Okay, Shafi, well done. I think you've just gotten the volume. Volume is this one is 6. Bottom is also 18 lah. Because it's the same triangle. Well done, Ishi. So times the height divided by 3. What do you get? What do you get? Base area you already found that 18 is the same as the triangle on top here. Same. So take base area times height divided by 3. Base area times height divided by 3. This is the formula. Remember, okay? Use for cones, use for pyramid. So base area is 18. Okay, you must know this is 18. Ryan and Akila. How do you know 18? Because all the triangles here are the same. This is 6 by 6 or so. So what's base area? 18 what? You found as 18 what? Height? Height is 6 what? Down here is height 6. Divide by 3. You will get 36. Maybe you again. What's the base area down here? This is the same thing. If you found 18, this is also 18. This is also 18. Don't be confused. The bottom part, I'm going to draw the bottom part out now. Bottom part, the triangle is like that. It's the same triangle. Oh, sorry. Sorry. It's the same. Yes, well done. It's the same triangle as the rest. I hope it's okay. So it's 6 by 6. And then the height is also 6, right? Okay, so you get, sorry. Okay, I hope you get it. 36. We are moving on. Let me see. Express the volume in terms of x. Okay, please try this. Please try this. And you find the volume. Remember the formula, base area times height divided by 3. That's the formula. Base area times height divided by 3. You've got to write it down somewhere. Okay, your teacher might should give the same formula. Base area times height divided by 3. Bottom is a square. This is a square. This side also x lah. Must be able to see this is a square. Don't say diamond, please. This is 3D. I'm worried you all see diamond. Is she okay now? Is she? Okay, find what's the area lah. Come on. Okay, maybe you do step by step. You got your base area? What is your base area? Base area is x times x. bottom part is square, you know. It's x by x, right? So you get x square. What's your height? Sorry, x square. Your height is also x. So you find the volume. What's the volume? Base area is x square. Times the height is what? Times x. Then you must divide by 3. So what do you get? You get x cubed. X times x is x cubed over 3. Who's confused? Ryan, okay or not, Ryan? Are you confused? Inshi, are you okay? Inshi? Shafi, okay? You understand, huh? So now, they want you to show, you going to find, can you show now? You write it as an equation. You try, do you get 12 now? Okay, they are saying, when you do this like that, if this is correct, equals to what, 576, you should get x is actually 12. Can you try? Find out what is x, please? Can you get 12 now? You know what to do, that? So what to do down here? I don't know. You look a little bit blur lah. Inshi, you okay, Inshi? Inshi macam banyak masalah lah. Do you help your mother in cooking, you know? Yes. No. Okay. Shafi, you help your mom in cooking. Eating. Okay. How to get rid of the 3? You all know how to get rid of the 3, right? So now, you times this by 3. You also times this by 3. And then how? You get 1728, right? Shown. Okay. Okay, we have shown, alhamdulillah. Now, how do you find x down here? In order to get rid of it, you must do the opposite of cube, which is what? Cube root. So x is equals to cube root it. You cube root 1728, you will get the answer. If you need me to prove it to you, I have to prove it to you. But you put on here, once you will show that it's equals to 12. If you don't believe, you try to find what's the cube root of 1728. So maybe some of you are confused down here. I will just assume you might be confused here. So down here, let's say now, someone, you are asking now. I do not know whether you know this. I assume you're confused. X3 equals to, let's say, 27. Example. How to find x? The only way to find x is to cube root this. No? When you cube root the x3, what happens? This thing disappears, it becomes x. Same thing. When you square root, let's say now you have a square down here. How to get rid of the square? You square root it. Then it becomes x. You don't believe? I'll show you. Now I'll show you. Watch. Inside down here, let's say is 27, right? Cube root of 27 is what? Cube root of 27 is 3. So there's now I cube root 27 is 3, right? Allahu Akbar. Okay, down here, I put down here. Okay, I cube root 27. What do I get? I get 3. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Can you see now? When I cube root something with a cube, I get the x. Can you all see? Let's see now. You know 4 times 4 is, 2 times 2 is 4. So if I square root of 4, what do I get? I get 2. So I'm going to write it like that. 2 square is 4, right? When I square root 2 square, I get 2. Can see now. So now if I got, let's say, 9 square, I want to square root it, I get 9. I hope I'm not confusing you guys. Okay, so the same thing works for the other side. All right, we move on. Okay, let's see. Volume is the area of VAD is given. No, not this one. Okay, we are going to cones today. More or less, you are quite all right? You roughly get it, So now we move on to cones now. Now, cones the same thing. Remember what I told you just now? Base area. What is the base area? Base area is area at the bottom. Okay, so now imagine now you have not a cone but a cylinder lah, let's say. The cylinder is like that. Like that. If you want to find the volume of, let's say it straight. You want to find the volume of the cylinder is very simple. You find the base area, yellow part times height. But you want to find cone, divide by 3. Same thing. You see this one sengit, never mind. Same thing. You find, this one sengit little, sorry. You find now what is the volume of the cylinder, divide by 3. You get the cone also. I don't want to go to school. I do want to go to school. Why? Why do you want to go to school? I think she sent to the wrong person. But it's okay lah. But you write, I do want. That means you really want to go to school. All the best. Well done. Okay, we won't go into area yet. We don't go area. Again, we are just going to go into volume. Can you find the volume of the cone? Remember the formula is the same. Base area times height divide by 3. What's the formula base area? You must remember this is a circle. Pi r squared. See, I forgot all these. Circle. Circle is pi times r times. We just take it as 3. You want to take it 3.14 also okay, no problem. Then take as 3.14 pi to be 3. Okay. Well done, Shafi'i. Well done. So find the base area first. 3.14 pi r squared, right? Times 5 times 5. And then after that, you get the answer. What do? You times by 12 lah. And then what you do? You divide by 3 lah. Finish lah. That's it. You'll get the answer. Come on. You'll get the answer. Okay, I'm giving you the formula down here. Must be able to do. Okay, 1 say 314. Shafi, you're salah lah. Supposed to be 314, not 316. Okay, but you use 22/7, is it, Shafi? No. Now, how come you get 31? You try again. So you times 314. Okay, Ryan, well done. So 3.14 times. So you are very clear, right? Is it simple? It's one formula. One formula to rule them all. You know which movie that is from? See, I don't know. Well, you were probably babies when or not yet born. Lord of the Rings. Now down here you see now. Okay. Look at the formula given. Your teacher is going to teach you like that now. Volume of cone, half times pi r squared times height. Look, I've taught you one simple formula for all. Base area times height divided by 3. Finish. So if base area circle, you use circle formula lah. Base area triangle, you use triangle formula lah. Base area rectangle, you use rectangle formula. Okay? Why? Just remember one formula je lah. Why you remember so many formulas? That person got so many wives or so many girlfriends, cannot remember lah. Problem. Okay, we want you to find only the volume. Use your pi as 3.14. Okay, we want to know the exact answer. Okay, don't leave your answers in pi. Take pi to be 3.14. Okay, for A and B. Here we go. Akila, you there? Akila, can do not? Akila. Paging for Miss Akila, are you there? Come. Fine. Use 3.14. Huh? Give me exact answers. Okay. You will get decimal lah. Never mind. Shafi, congratulations. You got the first one correct. Okay. Ask your mom buy you a free ice cream cone. But nowadays ice cream is yeah. Well done, Ichi. Well done, Ryan. Well done. Now the next one. Aki, are you there? Over. HQ to Aki. HQ to Aki. Over. I think we might have a mayday, yeah. What about B? What about B? Have you gotten B, nah? Shafi, are you doing B? You all seem to be stuck at B. Okay, well done, Inchi. Well done. You have overtaken the rest. Well done. Huh? This is the true Inchi. But go to school. School is good. Oh, school is where you get infected. My Akila, something is wrong. Which one? Which question are you doing? Is it A? Is it? Your answer is not correct. Okay, I will run through A. Okay. Oh, B. B is also not correct. Oh no, maybe it might be correct. You use 22/7, is it? I think you use 22/7. Ryan, well done, Ryan. Congratulations. We are waiting for Shafi. Shafi, unless Shafi already handed in. Maybe you. I think you use 22/7. Okay, that means it's okay, Akila. Shafi. Oh yeah, okay, Shafi has done. Okay, well done. So very easy, eh? This is very easy. So it's meant for you to score lah. Okay. So we move on to the next one. So acceptable lah if you now this one same thing. Don't say terbalik. You know, normally you hold an ice cream like that, right? So yeah, if you are afraid to go to school because of COVID, yeah, that is one thing lah. Because my nephew class schoolmate kena COVID, eh? So for a while he came for Raya, we are also worried, right? Kena COVID-19. But this is probably going to happen, right? You all know why, right? Because of the KTV, because of the fish market, right? There's two strains actually. The KTV one is I think the Delta strain. The other one is actually the Indonesia strain. The people supplying fish got COVID. Okay. Sorry, this one do we know the okay, we cannot do sekejap ON we don't know Okay. You all learn Pythagoras not? Remember Pythagoras theorem? Remember not? Okay. I just revise Pythagoras. We did Pythagoras, right? Remember? A, B, C. C is always the longest. C squared is equals to A squared. Is equals to A squared plus B squared. If you find not, you all do this one first. Those who can do D finish, you try to do C lah. You got to find this one. So how to find this one now? We call it X down here. Can you see that this is the longest? This is C. X squared plus 63 squared is equals to 65 squared. Then you can find this side. You all know what I'm talking about? Please go. Please do. Please go, Akira. We are doing C. Do D first lah. Do D first, then you do C. Because D is more complex than C is more complex than D. Alamak, this one also don't have lah. Sorry lah. You don't have the height also lah. You got to use Pythagoras. Okay, you do whichever you want first lah. You need to find this one also. You don't know. We don't know the height also. I look at it, I look wrongly lah. You need to find out this one. You got to use Pythagoras theorem. So, wah, Shafi, for division, Shafi, C Wah, champion Shafi already champion Let me see. Okay, good. Hold on How come your answer so small, Shafi? What do you get X now? What's your answer for X? Correct. Then do you find the area? Base area times height. I think you didn't find base area lah. You ambil 16 aja, then you go and whack. He got 16, is so happy tau. Aku dapat 16 Insyirah tak dapat 16, then he go and take 16 times 63. I think so. Am I correct? You did that. Yes, right? So Ryan, 65 squared is equal to X squared plus 63 squared. See the longest part? 65 squared. Must put square, is equals to 63 squared 1D. Okay, I have not done 1D plus X squared. 268 juga. Something. Now how to find that thing? You bring over down your line. 65 squared minus 63 squared. This is equals to X squared now. Then later on you square root the answer, you will get X. You must square root the answer. So you try, you take 65 squared minus 63 squared. Whatever answer you have, square root it, you will get the X down here. Then you can do. Okay, let me check your. Inshi, well done. For D, yeah. Good, Ryan. So you got this to be 16. Well done. Now find the area. This is not oval, this is circle. 3D again. Then after you type is the height. Okay, don't say why is the height lying down. You just put up the ice cream cone, it becomes up then. Shafi, too small now. Too small. Shafi, too small. What's the area? That's the area. Maybe 336 is the area, is it? Do you find the area of the circle? Inshi, well done, Inshi. Okay, so we are going to go through shortly. We're going to go through shortly, okay? So notice whatever you learn Pythagoras and all that suddenly come out. There's one more topic, trigonometry. You all have started now, yeah, right? Started, yeah, Shafi. Okay, we're going to go through that soon, okay? Okay, so now we need to find the area of the circle, Shafi. Pi r squared, 3.14 times 16 times 16. But don't stop like that, just times the height straight. Send this base area. All right, you times by the height. What is the height? Height is 63. Then what do? You divide by 3. Can it, Ryan? Can do also? 3.14 times 16 times 16. Pi r squared. You times by the height. And then you divide by 3. What you get? You get Inshi's answer, which is 1688.64. Yeah, same answer as me. Okay, square cubic cm. Okay, so again, you find the area times the height. You must be able to see that. Don't do D, because we need to make sure that everyone is. But I need to question. Ryan, you understand, Ryan? Are you okay? Shafi, okay, Shafi? You know your mistake, because 333 is too small. Okay, we move on. Now let me see. No, this one curved surface, or we don't want it. Okay, hold on. Sorry, this one we do not want this one. Okay, all this. Okay, can we now find the volume of this one? You learn similarity and congruency already. Can I check one by one? Inshira, you learn already.
I just started.
Okay, Ryan, you started? No, not yet. Shafi, you finish similarity and congruency? Finish. So I think next week we go through similarity and congruency. Okay, this one 30, yeah? Well done, Shafi. You assume the height here is 30, yeah? Okay, just 1 minute. And she, you got to check your answer. It's not correct. You probably have forgotten to do maybe something. You've forgotten something. Okay. You're okay now. Ryan can do, Ryan. Again, area times height divided by 3. So base area is 3.14 times 8 times 8 times 15. Okay, the first one, yeah, is correct, Ishi. Divide by 3. Once you do this, you will get your answer. First one. Second one, same thing also lah. Okay. Second, okay, Shafi, yeah, well done. Second one, same thing. 3.14. You got to memorize the formula, and I'm giving you just one formula to memorize. It's easier. So don't be confused. Your teacher will give you more specific one. It's okay. You want to memorize that also, no problem. But you have really so many things to memorize. Right? And times by the height. And then you divide by 3. So the first one, you are supposed to get 1004.8 cubic cm. The second one, you're supposed to get 38.4 cubic cm. All right, so we are going to move on. We're going to move on most probably to the next topic. So far it's only one formula, base area times height divided by 3. Remember that, base area times height divided by 3. The next one, we got to learn new formulas. I cannot avoid it. We cannot avoid. So let us see now. Is it going to be next topic now? Let us see. Okay, you can find this. Can you find the volume, please? Find the volume of the cone, of the cone, please. Of this cone. Please do. Nishi, please do this. We're talking about this cone, Find the volume of the cone. Negligible. 0 lah, something. But we are not doing that. We just want to find the volume of this one. Negligible means 0, or you don't need to worry about it. It's too small that you don't need to. Yeah, we want to find the volume of the. It's still very basic. I do not want you to be. I want you to cover the whole chapter. Well done, Ryan. First one to come up with it. Shafi and Akila. So by the end of this session, you will know about volume of 3 things actually: pyramid, cone, and sphere volume. Yeah. Shafi, something wrong, huh? Okay, what's the radius is 5, right? Yeah, Akila, okay. Radius is 5. 3.14 times 5 times 5. Then the height is 12, what? Times 12. Divide by 3 lah, finish. You are supposed to get 314. Okay, you try. You put it inside calculator, you get 314. Okay, we move on again. Hold on. Okay. This one you can find. You do this one. Can you find the volume? You must find the volume for this one. But in order to do that, you need to find the height. So I want you to do this one. Find the volume. But in order to do that, you need to find the height. You got to use Pythagoras. Just this one. Repeat. Volume of this one. You have to use Pythagoras theorem.
Mereka dia kata kita dah pergi jauh, takkan kita cuma duduk di laut doang. Kemarin mereka pergi jauh. Mereka yang ini di monster.
Well done, Shafi. You have finished Pythagoras in school? Shafi, Pythagoras finish in school. Pythagoras.
Yeah.
So your Pythagoras is all right, huh?
Sebab ini abang ipar yang bayar. Abang ipar yang bayar. Mereka berdua tak boleh bayar.
Okay, we got to find the height, nah. Near to it, Ryan, but not yet, nah. Let's see. This one now, 90 degrees, So you got 4 down here. 8.5. Okay, Akila, you have found the height. So how to find this thing we call x lah? Okay, 8.5 square minus 4 square. Then you square root it. So down here, 8.5 square is equals to, this is C, right? The longest part. Equals to 4 square plus x square. Okay. You want to find what's x square? 8.5 square minus 4 square. You must minus 4 square. Then you will get an answer. Once you get an answer, you square root the answer. Then you will get x. And you are supposed to get 7.5. You will get 7.5. So if you get 7.5, what is the formula for volume? Very simple. 3.14 times radius times radius, 4 times 4 times the height. You just found the height, which is 7.5, and you divide it by 30. Okay, you will get 125.6 cubic cm, which is the answer given by Mr. Shafi'i. Okay, I hope this is not too confusing. So if this is okay, we will move on to the very last one. Okay, we have sorry, hold on. Let me see. This one is 12. TO is 12. Okay. They want you to find now the length VT. Okay. Can you try this one? A, B. So this bottom part is called the frustum. Frustum. Sounds like what is it? Is it a shape? Okay, as you can see now, this is a frustrum. Okay, you can see, yeah. If you do not know what it is, okay, imagine now you turn it around and turn it around now. If you can turn it, cannot. It doesn't want to turn around. When you turn it around, you put ice cream inside. That's where you have the McDonald's ice cream. You're pushing the thing, you got McDonald's ice cream you put inside. Or cupcake. Yeah. So here we go. If you're not sure how to do, take area, a volume of big cone minus volume of small cone equals to balance. Okay. This one you got to go deeper into Pythagoras. Can you find VQ first? Those of you do not know, this is 12, this is 15. You can find VQ, right? Oh, that is 12. Hold on. Hold on. You can find you can find this one. Okay, they give you down here. You can find it already. This one you may have to use. You'll use Pythagoras theorem and then minus now. You'll use Pythagoras theorem. In case you can't see, I'm drawing for you here. You don't need to find all this slanted side. You got the height, you got the radius. You got the height, you got the radius. So you can do straight. Can you do it? Can you do it? I hope you can do it. Okay, since there seems to be no movement, so I'm just gonna. Okay, this one down here is very simple. You need to find some very simple. It's 12, 20. They tell you VO is 20. Minus 12 give you 8.
Tiba-tiba. Makanya
Okay.
siapa yang pernah bilang ya? Nah, lihat wajah seseorang.
So now this one is 8, right? So now you can find the cone down here. What's the volume? So the volume is pi r squared times height divided by 3. Yeah. So hold on. Sorry. So down here is 6 times 6 times what? Pi is 3.14, right? 3.14 times 6 times 6 times the height. The height you already found like 8 right down here. Then after divide by 3. That's your smaller cone. The whole cone, you can do it, right? Can do it. Come, can you all try? So I'll write it down for you down here, 3.14 times radius times radius, 15 times 15 times the height. The height is it 12? No, it's 20, yeah? Because the whole height is 20. They tell us VO is 20. Then you divide by 3. Once you get the answer, this minus this, you will get this part here. Shafi, your answer is too, I think too far. Yes, that is acceptable. Well done. The rest can get it now. Your answer will be like 4408, or the book says 4410. Shafi says 4409. My answer is 4408 point something. All right, now. Is this okay? You're still doing, huh? Can, huh? And I hope you all will master maths by this year. You know, the next year I won't be teaching, right? You all know, huh? So make sure that you really master the whole of Sec 2, because once Sec 2 maths is okay, your E-maths is going to be quite easy. But if you're taking A-maths, it's something else. Okay? But E-maths is going to be based on your Sec 1, Sec 2 maths. And if Sec 2 you are not okay maths, yeah, then it's going to be a nightmare. All right, we move on. Okay, I do not know whether we have time for. Okay, let us see. Hold on. Let us see. Vertical line passes through center of 3 solids. Okay. Okay, can you try this, please? They want you to find the volume of the wooden top. Now, this one is cylinder. Remember, cylinder was the formula? Base area times height. This one also said this is a type of cylinder. Base area times height. This one, base area times height divided by 3. Okay, easy, right? You know what's top, right? Gassing. Encik mabuk, Encik. Encik, you gone for your jab, The virus will spread lah. So for A should be very easy, okay? You all should know lah. Radius down here is 1, radius down here is 3 lah. 1 plus 2, right? So you don't need to answer A. You go straight to volume. All right, in order to do volume, you need to break it up in your working. You must write volume of A. What is it? Volume of B. What is it? Volume of C. What is it? And then you plus all together. This one is base area bar base area times height. Okay, for A. Same thing, base area times height. Aduh. Wah, Shafi, done already. That's your volume, Shafi. The last one, I have not even done yet. Shafi has done. So this one is base area times height. Then divide by 3. Do you add all of them up, Shafi? All 3 add up become that. Let us see whether you are correct, Mr. Shafi. And your answer is correct. Congratulations. What is your secret? I drink brand's essence of chicken. Okay. Is it halal? I'm not too sure. Hantam sajalah. Come on, come on, come on. Easy, yeah? Base area times height. Base area times height. You take it as 3.14 lah, radius. Okay, Shafi says the answer is 79.4. Book answer says 79.5. Not too tough lah, not too tough. Let me see what's question number. Let's see. No. Inshi? Can do, Inshi. Okay, we find the base area down here. You all know what's base area, right? The base area of the circle down here. And this is very easy. Why? Pi r squared, then times height. So what's pi r squared down here? 3.14. This is the pi. R is 1. Radius times 1 times 1. And then times height 2.5. Don't divide by 3. Get your answer like that. So what is your answer? Let us see. Okay, 3.14 times 2.5. Your answer is 7.85. This is the first one. Second one, base area, same thing. Your radius is 3, right? So 3.14 times what? 3 times 3. Then times by the height. The height is how much? 1.2 je lah. Okay. 3.14 times 3 times 3 times 1.2. Remember, don't divide by 3, because this is not. Hold on, Okay. 33.91. The last one, same thing lah, is 3.14 times what's the radius is 3, what? 3 times 3 times the height. Height is how much? Is 4. Divided by Allah. Divided by 3. So if you can actually cancel one of the 3's here lah. You get 3.14 plus times 3.14 times 3 times 4 lah. Shortcut. 37.68. Now you add them up lah. Okay, do you get Shafi's answer? 37.68 plus 33.91 plus 7.85. Okay, we get Shafi's answer 79.44 lah. So it's very, very straightforward. Okay. Can I just do a survey, quick survey? Ryan, how is it so far, Ryan? Okay? No. Inshi? Okay? Are you, Shafi, okay? Akila, are you okay? Akila? I do not know, you have disappeared all the way. Okay. So now, sphere. Okay, I do not know whether I want to go to sphere now because only got a few minutes left. Okay, let me, I hope if, first of all, okay, we do something else. Let us do a little bit of algebra. Hold on. Just one moment. Just one moment. This algebra one, I want you to try because it's important for us to always revise. Okay, this is actually taken lower side. Just one moment. Okay. Okay. Okay, can you try question number 2, please? Question number 2, you got to use X, and normally X is in the question lah. So my suggestion is let X be the younger person, the age now lah. Easy lah. If you feel you don't need to use algebra for this, I'm already doing it mentally. If you feel you don't need to use algebra, yeah, but some will not be able to solve without algebra lah. They want to sum their ages in 8 years' time. Okay, if you want a proper, I think I'm writing it here below. You can follow the guidelines given. Then you can solve really. Now, Mr. Walker's age now is 3x, right? Because it's twice, right? The difference between, so now when the son was just born, is 0 is older. Mr. X will be what? 3x minus x will be 2x. Okay, so some of you may not get it. Why is it 2x? Okay, I'll show you. 2x equals 32. Now, see why? Okay, I'm going to use primary drawing now, but with the algebra inside so that you can see and picture it. So sometimes model does it have its, sorry. Yeah. Model here. So I just write the x here, right? So it's 3 times, right? 3x. Now, when the son was born, he was 32 years old. So son was born now here this point in time. We cancel off lah. So that means 32 years is here. What? You can see now. One way of doing is 33x minus x. I give you the point in time where the son was born. He's 32 years old. So x is equals to what? X equals to 16 lah. X equals to 16, right? So how old is Mr. Walker? 16 times 3 equals to 6. 6 times 3, 18, 48, I think. Right? And how old is the son? The son is 16. What's the age of Mr. Walker in 8 years' time? You plus 8, you get 56. What's the age of the son in 8 years' time? You plus the 8, you get 24. So 24 plus 56, you get 80. 24 plus 56, you get 80. And that is the answer. Every week we have to do a little bit of algebra, the problem sums, for you all to be able to get used to it. Okay, so next week do I go through what is it just now? Similar congruency and similarity. Is it okay? Yes, you sure? Okay, I will. So you have already gotten the cone and the pyramid. Later on we'll continue with that. All right, then you take care of yourself. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.